I got that gauge 38 and that 4 by car. Deep in the bushes, see, I'm so in